So here we are at Makers & Company Creative Workshop. Yay! And we're coming in to make these beautiful designs. My friend, hello.
Good, how are you doing?
Great, this is so cute.
Thank you.
So adorable.
been a
So
labor
look at
of
these
love.
fun things that they make out of wood.
Okay, I'm not getting your face so that I don't have to ask for
Permission. She'd let you. She's the social media queen as far as
oh, really?
Oh, no.
Are you?
No.
Much more than I am.
She knows what she's doing. This is a lovely little place. Was it already the brick?
No, it wasn't. It was just a blank shell, and we put the wallpaper up, and shelving, and all the decorations.
And you got all the letters?
Man, those are cool. And this is really fun for us. I don't know, you know, we're a long way from buying an Epilog Laser.
Oh my goodness, how fun!
So she's just typing in what she wants it to say.
Fun.
And also I have a new idea on glass.
Oh, do you?
It's the same machine you do.
Did the engraving on.
Yeah, so you can walk in front of the camera.
Yeah, it's okay.
This is a very informal video.
Oh, don't you want that?
Yes, I'm so jealous.
Look how
Whoa, you know how long it takes me to do individual cuts like that? I have to drill a hole and then put my blade through and then one little cut and then take it out.
That's what we started this with.
Really? Yes.
It's all like yours.
Oh my goodness. This is too fun. Puzzles are fun. Yeah.
How much is this machine?
This with the stand and everything that came with was about 40,000, but you can buy just the machine without the stand for 20.
Still.
Oh, okay.
That's an investment right there.
Yeah, it is.
Well, there's cheaper ones for like 5,000 and but they're much smaller bed. This is a really fabulous.
So is it just the heat?
Yeah, like a little laser beam that's going through.
Can you do thicker wood or is this as thick as you can go?
We can go up to half an inch, but you have to slow it way down.
Oh,
so everything
okay.
we do is mostly fast. Biggest we do right now is 1/4 inch. And this is 1/8 inch right now.
That
It's
is
actually
really
really fast.
Look at that.
huge. I really didn't expect it to be that quick.
Yeah.
That's just amazing. And then it's just so perfect.
And it's perfect every single time too. So when you want to get anything together, it's the same piece. So that took 1.5 minutes.
1.5 minutes.
That's crazy.
That is really amazing. And do you have any fume problems, or is that why it's got all the fans?
Yeah,
in it?
so it sucks it out, and then we have an exhaust that goes up
Okay.
and out.
How cute.
Look at that.
But you can cut acrylic on it, wood, leather, fabric, paper. So everything that's metal, because our metal you have to have a different setup for it. But there are lasers that do cut it. Ours just isn't.
So you do, but out there are knives that you have
That
some
we do engraving on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Is that not with this machine?
Yeah, it is with this machine. So you can engrave also. The other things you can cut also. And then those things you just engrave on.
That's
Yeah.
too much fun.
Very fun. Okay, back to work.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I know. Inspiration of all of it.
She won't be able to use that music.
I'm like super perfectionist when it comes to this stuff. My sister Jill's,
Okay, I'll lower it so you can't hear it.
And then just sand it however much you want, and then the top of it you can sand, and it will just kind of just make it more silky and deepen the color.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. But it was, all the way since I was like, well, and then I would hear
Are you gluing them on now?
I guess so. If the glue swishes out, will it dries clear? We'll knock you across the room, you're like, whoa. Because I have the same feeling, but I think it's doing it because I'm still alive. It's a fun birthday party. Yep, oh yeah, and it doesn't, it definitely doesn't help with that.
So I'm going to ask you for a card so that I can put it on this video. We'll put it online.
That would be great.
And we'll want your phone number and address so that people can have a contact for you. And also, do you have an email that they can? Okay. All right. So
The email's in
I'll-
the back.
I'll put this information up on the online. I think my finger keeps covering it. Okay.
5 hours after I did, so I don't know.
I like it.
I don't know if it's the massive stairs or if she's
Right.
Want to see mine?
Yeah.
Your flower is much better.
No.
Mine's too tight.
So, this is the fun that we had at the Makers and Company and Wild Horse Timber. So, thank you for joining us for Wisdom Wednesday.
Hugs and kisses.